My name is Rajat Kandhol. I'm an international student here in Canada. I'm doing Carpentry and Renovation Techniques from Algonquin College from Pembroke campus. As an international student, I enjoy this course very well because lots of people from the communities around the world is here doing the same course in the same workshop. So we all are communicating with each other, exchanging the thoughts, the thinkings, and the way they deal with the wood in their home country. Instead of this, Pembroke is also a good place. You can find all the things here, all the facilities as an international students, from Service Canada to banks to the grocery stores, Indian food and everything. So Algonquin College is just not pushing you towards the studies. They are providing you the cultural events from all across the world from time to time. As I celebrated the Indian Festival of Lights last month, Diwali, with all of my colleagues. So we celebrated that in college as well. So you can come to Algonquin College to shape your future. The machines we are using are very top-notch, and you don't have to bring any of your thing, like any of your tools, any gadgets, something here. College is providing you the best to best things, all updated. So you don't have to worry about your chisels too sharp next time. Adam will provide you everything. In Pembroke, there are some issues about the transportation and all that. But to be very honest, college and the community people will help you very well. So as I'm living in Pirawawa, that's 15 to 16 kilometers from Pembroke, and Adam posted a thing for me on our portal, like Rajat need a ride every day. So Mark is helping me. He's picking me from home, dropping me to the college. He is also my classmate. We come together. So the community is also very helpful here. So I enjoy these things very well.